Hari Om students, linear equations in one variable. Last class we discussed some of applications. In this class we are going to continue the same exercise. Here in this problem, the number of boys and girls in a class or in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Here this is the most important point in this problem. The number of boys is related with the number of girls. What they said? Boys is 8 more than girls, they said. Do you know the number of girls? Here in this problem they have given any sentence? No. So assume that number of girls be x. Okay. Let the number of girls in the class be x. And what about boys? They said boys is 8 more than. In the previous class itself we discussed that if they have given more than means we have to take that number as plus 8. Okay. So number of boys in the class is equal to, they said, girls 8 more, that is plus 8. Now they have given the ratio of boys and girls. Ratio of boys and girls in the class is equal to boys x plus 8. Here also boys they have given first, that is boys 7, girls 5. So boys is x plus 8 is to x. This is ratio of boys and girls. According to the given problem, ratio of boys and girls is equal to, what is they have given, that is 7:5. These two are equal, no? Why? Because as per the given data, the ratio we deduced that it is x plus 8 is to x, and as per the given problem they have given it is 7:5. Both are equal, that is x plus 8 by x is equal to 7/5. As you know, a is to b can be written as a by b. That means this x plus 8 is to x is written as can be written as x plus 8 by x. In the same way 7:5 we can write this as 7/5. Here x plus 8 by x is equal to 7/5. By cross multiplication we can get that 5 into x plus 8 is equal to 7 into x. Now multiplying these two, 5 into x 5x, 5 into 8 40 is equal to 7x. So linear equation is formed and its a simplification. Its simplification is taking all x terms to one side and constants to other side of the equation. Now this is a 5x minus 7x and constant is you have to take that side, minus 40. Now it is 5x minus 7x is minus 2x is equal to minus 40. On both sides we have minus, so that by cancellation we can get x is equal to 40 by 2. 2 ones to 20s. X is equal to 20. Now, what is x? We assumed that it is number of girls in the class. So, number of girls in the class is x, that is 20. Number of boys in the class is, they said 8 more, so that girls 20, boys 8 more, it is 28. Shall we check whether its ratio is 5:7 or not? So see that, just for verification purpose we are doing that. Boys number is boys and girls, they said boys number is 28, girls number is 20. By doing cancellation, that means we are writing in its lowest terms, that is 4 sevens 28, 4 fives 20. So the ratio is 7:5. We got the same here. Understood? Okay. Here the main concept is boys number is related to the girls number. And then, do you know the girls number? No. So that whatever we have to assume, that one, whatever we have to find, that one we have to assume it as x. Sorry, here they asked you what is the total strength. Now, total strength of the class is equal to 20 plus 28, it is 48 students. Okay. Here we have one problem, that is ages related with a boy and his father and his grandfather. That is, by chance father is 26 years younger than by chance grandfather, and 29 years older than by chance. So here his father and grandfather both are related to that boy. So when we assume that boy's age be x, then we can get his father's age. What they said, it is 26 years younger than his grandfather. So that and 29 years older than that boy. So when we assume both his father and grandfather is related to that boy's age. So assume that boy's age as x and his grandfather is his. Here in this problem, first boy. And his father and his grandfather. So what is the condition? Father is 26 years younger than grandfather. Father is 26 years younger than grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. That is, here both these father and grandfather are related to this boy's age. So when we assume that boy's age is x, then his father is 26 younger than grandfather and 29 older than this boy. 29 older than this boy and 26 younger than his father. So we can assume that His father is 29. Okay. Then his grandfather becomes x plus 29 plus 26. Okay. Now they have given sum of their ages is 135 years. Okay. So now assume that boy's age as, let the age of Baichung be x years. His father is age of his father is x plus 29. Age of his grandfather is x plus 29 plus 26. Okay. Now sum of their ages is x plus 29 plus x plus 29 plus 26. It is like terms. 3x 29 plus 29, 8 plus 26. It is 84. It is this is sum of their ages. As per the given problem, sum of their ages is equal to 135. 3x plus 84 is 135. 3x is 135 minus 84. 3x is equal to 5 minus 4 1, 13 minus 8 5. X is equal to 51 by 3. It is 17. What is x here? We assumed that boy's age. So age of Baichung is 17 years. Now age of his father is 17 plus 29. It is 46 years. Age of his grandfather is 46 plus 26. It is 72 years. Now we are going to check. It is boy is 17, father is 46, grandfather is 72, 8 plus 7 15, 11 12 13. It is 135 years. Here in this problem they have given 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? As I said in our earlier class, that is, if your present age is 13, after 4 years, 13 plus 4, 17. In the same way they said 15 years. Now your present age 13, 15 years after that is 13 plus 15 only, no? In the same way, here we are going to assume that Ravi's present age as X, and from that 15 years from now, his age becomes X plus 15, and one more condition is 4 times his present age. That is here the condition. Okay, see, let the present age of Ravi be X years, and 15 years from now, that is after 15 years his age, years later, age of Ravi is X plus 15 years. Now the condition is 4 times his present age, they said. So his present age is 4 times of 15 years after his age. Present age ni age 5 times 4 times, if we made it 4 times, that age is equal to after 15 years his age. So present age X, we made it 4 times, that age is equal to after 15 years means X plus 15. So 4x is equal to X plus 15. Now equation, linear equation. Now it's a simplification. 4x minus x is 15. 4x minus x is 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones, 3 fives. X is 5. What is that 5? Ravi's present age. Present age of Ravi is 15, sorry, 5. 15 years after his age. 15 years later, his age is x plus 15, that is 5 plus 15 is 20. Now we are going to check that his present age is 4 times, they said. So present age into 4 times is equal to 15 years later his age. 4 5 is 20, 5 plus 15 also 20. So the condition satisfied, no? Hence we verified it. Okay? Here a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2, first step over, and you add 2 by 3 to this product, that is second step, you get 7 by 12, that is result. Okay? So what is that number? We are going to assume that number as X. Let the required number be X. So in step 1 what they said, multiply it 5 by 2. X into 5 by 2, the product is 5x by 2. Add 2 by 3 to the product. So in step 2, to this product, they said to add 2 by 3. Okay? And this result is given that 7 by 12. Now 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 7 by 12. Now take this plus 2 by 3 to this side. It is 5x by 2 is equal to 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. 5x by 2 is equal to LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. In 12 table 12 is 1 time 1 into 7 7. 3 table 12 is 4 times 4 into 2 is 8. Now 5x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 12. X is equal to 5x by 2, meaning is 5 into x by 5 by 2 into x. That is this 5 by 2 becomes this side 2 by 5. 2 ones 2 6. X is equal to minus 1 by 30. This is the required rational number. Okay. Now we are going to check our result. Some textbooks we have that result is minus 7 by 12. Okay. So we are going to do that one also. No problem. In some textbooks we have plus 7 by 12. In some textbooks we have minus 7 by 12. Both we are doing now. It is 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 12. Take this plus 2 by 3 to this side. It is minus 2 by 3. Now 12 and 3 LCM is 12 only. In 12 table 12, 1 time 1 into 7 minus 7. 3 table 12, 4 times 4 into 2, 8 minus 8. It is 5x by 2 is equal to minus 15 by 12. Now this 5 by 2 becomes this side 2 by 5. Now it is 2 ones, 2 6, 5 ones, 5 threes, again 3 ones, 3 twos. It is x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, we are going to verify what they said. Rational number is multiplied by 5 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2 into 5 by 2. It is minus 5 by 4. This minus 5 by 4 is added to 2 by 3. LCM is 12. 4 3s, 3 5s, 15. 3 4s, 4 2s are 8. It is minus 7 by 12. Okay. So, when it is minus 7 by 12, its result is minus 1 by 2. When I checked, that is minus 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 4. And added to 2 by 3. Then 4 and 3 LCM is 12. 4 3s, 3 5s are 15. 3 4s, 4 2s are 8. Minus 15 plus 8, it is minus 7 by 12. Same minus 7 by 12 we got. You can check here in the before. If it is plus 7 by 12, we got minus 1 by 30. You can check whether it is correct or not. Okay. So, listen this, watch this video carefully and complete these problems what we have discussed in this class. Hari Om. Thank you.